See, beep, 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 beep.
Right in this house.
We have stopped this program for this following message. A ship from a foreign country is coming to Vatican City. You may think this is not a serious answer, but it is. You may think it's actually not because Italy's protected, but it's fake. It's broke past the Italy border and split Italy in two. Not a lot of people is surviving at the minute, so we need you to do these actual stuff. This might hurt your stomach a bit, but you need to run. So, these are the things you should do. There's a variety of ships that the main one coming for us is the Romanians. The Romanians are coming. The Romanians are coming. Okay? But not just the Romanians. Romanians and Pennsylvania. We need you to hide. Take shelter. There may not be a variety of this, and there's no rhyme to this. You need to run. We are producing barriers between these two ships, so they wouldn't get us. After this, we recognise them as the flags on them. They have, at the minute, they have tipped up, so that gives you a bit of time. And as well as that, there is a tip over, so it could be a different country. And Vatican City may not be unbroken, but it could be sufficient. And we have found that it was a yacht. But not just one yacht. There's 1,000 more. Wait, there's 1,000 more yachts. 1,000 more yachts. Please stay in the community. We are gonna we are sorry to interrupt our program. No, go into the community now. No.